Hello kids, in today's video, we are going to learn alphabet A to D. In this video, we will learn letter A, letter B, letter C and letter D. So let's get started. Today, let's learn about A. A. It's a capital A and it's a small a. A for apple. Apple. A for ant. Ant. A for alligator. Alligator. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane. B. It's a capital B and it's a small b. B for ball. Ball. B for bus. Bus. B for banana. Banana. B for book. Book. Letter C. C. This is capital C and this is small c. C for cat. Cat. C for carrot. Carrot. C for caterpillar. Caterpillar. C for car. Car. This is letter D. It's a capital D and it's a small d. D. D for drum. Drum. D for doll. Doll. D for door. Door. D for duck. Duck. D for dog. Dog.
Thank you for watching.